Jesus is the unstoppable.
So if you want to make your video talk or sing your favorite songs, then this is a video you should be watching, because in this video, I will show you through all the steps needed to create such kinds of videos. So go to your Google Chrome and type DreamFace and then click enter. Go ahead and click on this first one that says DreamFace. So now once you are here, go ahead and click on AI tools. Now there are so many things you can do here. Okay, now you have video lip sync, photo lip sync, talking video, talking photo, influencer, kissing, AI hug, AI muzzle generator, and kung fu. Now, there are just so many things you can do with this tool. But for the purpose of this video, I will go ahead and click on video lip sync. Now click on
Hey,
generate avatar video.
welcome to DreamFace, where you can eat.
Remember that you may need to sign up or create an account. It is very easy to do it. Okay, so now once we're here, you can go ahead and click on photos and videos to upload the photo you want or the short video you want to sing. So I will go ahead and click on photos and videos, and then I'll click here to upload. So I will select the image that I want. I will click on this particular one, then I will click on open, and I will wait for it to upload. So if you like what you're watching, kindly subscribe to my channel and share this video so that more people can see it. So now the video is uploaded, so I'll cancel this, and then I will come here. If I have a text that I want this particular video to say or sing, I will paste it here, and I'll make sure that this is some text. Then I'll come down here and I'll click, and then I'll select from the list of voices that are here. There are so many voices that are here, so you can select it. You can choose to click here and then select any one of your choice. Okay. Now, if you don't want, you can clone your voice or clone somebody else's voice by clicking on create your own voice or create new voice. So if you click there, you can record your voice and follow the steps, or you can upload an audio of the voice you want to clone and then follow the steps. Then, if you have an audio already, so once you are here, you click on text and put in the text you want this AI to say or sing, and then you come here and click on baby rose to select from different voices that you want. All right. So if you want to clone your voice, you can click on create new voice so that you can clone your voice and clone somebody else's voice. Now, once you are comfortable with it, you click on confirm. All right. Now, if you have an audio already, you can go ahead and click on audio, and then click on upload audio, and then you can upload your audio from either your phone or from your computer. So I'll click here and I'll click open, and the voice will be uploaded. So the audio is here already. Then I will go ahead and click on generate. So the video is generating right now. So there are so many things you can do with this AI tool. Now you can choose to go and do something else, then come back later and check. The video will be generated after like 1 or 2 minutes. So you can choose to do a avatar video, or you can choose to do pet lip sync, where you have cat and other pets singing. Alright, so you can choose a song, or you can choose a text, or you can choose an audio. You can also do AI video from here. You can see all of this. It is from this app or this website. There are so many things you can do. All right, so let me go back and check if the video has been generated. The video is still generating, so you just have to give it some time. So as you can see, some of the projects that are already done on this app. You see this animal singing. it was made from this particular website. So the video is still generating here, but this is the same video I worked with. So without wasting your time, let me just click on it. So let us play it and see.
Jesus is the unstoppable force of love and forgiveness. No sin is too great.
And if you look at the math very well, you discover that the math is not following what the audio is saying. But once you download it into your phone or your computer system, you are going to be wowed. Because then after that, you can go ahead and click on download. And this video will be downloaded into your phone or into your computer system.